Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is 2007 Scion TC and this one was lowered. And I'm doing tire rotation and I can actually show you around what was used on it. And I would like to show you also how low it is. So first of all, us as a mechanics, when you come to our shop, that immediately includes some swearing when you realize it's so low that you cannot get the lift arms underneath it, right? They will not fit there. It's totally low, and somehow you have to first put it on these pieces of wood to be able even put those arms underneath it. But let me go show you on the other side where I'm still working on those wheels, how this update or upgrade works, right? What they used. So it seems to be, it's a Scion U-01. It's a TC, right? This is the right side, so it's fully adjustable, right? This is, we are looking at the rear. This was some custom here because I used just a bunch of spacers, washers here. That's interesting. It's different on the other side, right? If you look here, I used the different parts. So these are the detail. Over there I see BR type something, right? So I'm not expert on these things. Also has a TRD exhaust tip, probably the muffler, it's also TRD, right? So this is modified, not by this owner. I cannot ask him really what he used because I believe he bought it like that from previous owner. And here comes the front. So also look at the detail, right? The wheel is rubbing on these wires, so sooner or later, this is, I believe, ABS speed sensor. There will be hole in this. I should get him, actually write it down for him, or he will just look at this video because he is also subscribed to this channel. Look at this liner. Somebody ripped that or cut it off completely, right? It's supposed to continue. It's here all the way. Boom! Now it's missing. Look how funny. There is a piece which is absolutely for nothing, and they just zip tied it all over these areas, but it's just hanging there for no purpose because this is missing all the way up to here. Anyway, back to the suspension, right? So you see how this is down. It's fully adjustable, right? You will have a special wrench for it to bring it up and down. This also is rubbing, right? This is unfortunately brake line that's heavily rubbing here on this sway bar link. So these are all the problems, right? You have to be aware that you can create when you are doing these updates. But what I wanted to show you, how you really realize that it's really low. Look at here on the lower arm, right? When you lift the vehicle, these arms goes in the angle down here. Look at this front. It's so lowered. The struts, the springs, right, are so compressed, and they shorten that strut so much that these arms are no more coming down this angle. This is way higher. And to show you difference between the not lowered suspension, that angle of the lower control arm, you see how it's coming down? This is the normal angle, right? This what we see when we lift the vehicles here on the lift. This is approximate how it looks when the vehicle wasn't modified. This is 2014 Toyota Corolla. And at the end I will show you how low it is, right? Now this is really low. I couldn't get that lift underneath. Here is that funny part, zip tied for no absolutely zero purpose. just bang in there. So that was the suspension. Let me finish the tire rotation on this side. The other side is done already, and I will then show you how low it is. And I will give you a chance to see how low it is while I'm lowering it. So check this out, right? And here we go. That's the only way how I will get those arms out from underneath it. Hopefully you can see how low it is, right? I already had to do the special accommodations. Even the arms itself couldn't be used. I had to use those pieces of rubber, right? The rubber blocks. Here you can see again how low it is from different angle. You can also see how these wheels are inside of these wheel arches, right? Especially also the rear one, right? It's really in, so it's really lowered. I mean, it's pleasure to drive it on the short test drive. Also has updated exhaust, so it's a fun car, definitely. The clutch, how it works, and he has a short shifter in it. It's definitely pleasure to drive it, but putting it on the lift, it's a nightmare. And that was again something interesting for you from my shop on this channel. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.